Hello, mic check. Now it should be working fine. Can you hear me? There should be audio now. I can see the waves clearly, so that means it's working fine. I'll give you just a minute to confirm it because I see the waves. Be up here close. So there are a few things I need to set up. First, you can see it's a fresh, brand new Windows. So I have to make few changes. So let me turn on my bot. Jamin, just stay here so that after turning on my bot, you have to send one more message so that I can have you on the record that you joined this stream. If not, I can't do anything. Just wait for 1 minute, please. Yep, create shortcut. Where is the create shortcut option? Okay. It took me a lot of time yesterday to turn this thing on. I'm still waiting for it. Could not start. Please install the driver browser first. Thanks for the like. I will fix that thing first. Please install the driver first. Yeah, am I missing some driver? Hey, thanks for the like, bros. Thank you so much. Let me install the driver. Npx install. Or where is Firefox? We should be having. I'm also working on a project right now. What project is it? Which language? If you want to have a secrecy around your project, then you don't have to share much. Just share me the tech stack of what you're using. Where is Firefox? No shame. I'll directly go to this one. Yeah, okay. Then where is the Golang plus Postgres plus SvelteKit? Nice. Nice. So backend as a backbone, you're using Golang and Postgres for database and SvelteKit. Why would you go for SvelteKit? Just curious. Harish. I lost all my settings for voice attack and everything, so it's a bit messy right now, but we will get there, no worries. Let me add like a notepad with all my to-dos inside it. Okay, so first set up voice attack, fix the playwright issue, test to see if it's working, test 1, test 2. I'm not sure it would work. I mean, the program, everything is working. It's just the voice attack. I had to reinstall my Windows yesterday. So what happened was, previously I was using my Windows in this drive, which is of 250 GB, but we can see that it's not clearly enough for our use case. So what I did, I got a 2 TB now. So I moved my Windows from one SSD to another one. That was the plan, but it didn't really work out. I was getting a lot of issues, so I had to reinstall everything fresh. I do have all the code, etc. It's just setup has been gone. So it took me midnight, 2 a.m. I was trying to install all the drivers, Golang, Python, Node, stuff like those. We'll see where it goes now. I was honestly thinking to reinstall this Node and Python because these are the one causing issues. Node is still being used. Okay, I'll close all these. I'm closing my bot, so I won't. My bot would not work for a while. Why is it asking me to delete permission? Let me install Node.js. There should be Node.js here. If this is 1 and this is 2, which one is 3? Okay, where is the terminal? Taco install Node.js. Yes, please. While that is being done, we can install Taco install Python. Yes. Which project are you currently working on? I'm not really working on any project at the given moment. We can just talk about something and move along for this weekend. It's I have to bring back my Windows. I have to install Python, Node.js. I have already installed Golang. I have to set up the voice meter correctly. So let me try to do that first. That's an easy way. I don't have to depend on anything. Outgoing to I have no idea what is my IP address for my streaming PC. See that. Did you participate in that? Not really. We all know that I'm not that good at lead code myself, so there is no use for me to participate in the context. I have to get better with it, then think about competing. 113, okay. What happened now? Denied? Why? VBAN incoming. I think it should be in PC. And yeah, press enter, turn it on. Is it 213? 213, yes. I'm not sure if that is enough or should I have to do something else. It should work fine. Hello. Oh, so sorry. I have the overlay open right in front of my OBS. Null root, yo, welcome to this. Things just won't work sometimes. Streaming PC is very slow for some reason. Okay, good. I'm not getting any audio, so I'll just test it my game maybe. USB, I think this is the one, and the second should be this one. Sure. Maybe the name is wrong. Let me confirm the name. In my project, organizer can create events and add members to it, which can then add services provided in that event management. Right. Participated of the after working on some kind of a management system. Got it. Harish, how do you feel after? Did you win it? How do you feel? Let me get the stream name. Outgoing should be stream PC. Maybe it's case sensitive, so I'll remove all these and type small case. Stream PC, yes. Is it working now? Nice, you solved 2 problems. Nice. So outgoing, I'm not sure if I'm sending something. Yeah, I'm not really sending anything, so that's fine. We have to see how this works out now. I'm going to play some sound in my streaming PC. So brace yourself, boys. I'm sure it won't be that loud or anything. I don't have any recordings in my PC. I'll just play some music, maybe. So if you okay, so the audio system is working fine now. Okay, the audio has been fixed. That's nice. The voice attack has been fixed. Now what? We have to fix this one. I'll install things, man. Node.js installer. Download that. Python installer. Download that. I just download it, dude. Install it. Node.js. Where is it? Installer. Yes. Download it, please. Oh, I already have it. Okay, don't download it. Where is it? Node.js. I don't see it here. Oh, this one is the wrong download. Sorry. Let's remove whatever we have already and then install something like fresh. I'm just waiting for this to be completed. I can't really turn on my bot at the moment because it needs Node.js. Give me just a moment. In the meantime, I will open the chat window in this way so that I can see what's happening. Am I getting errors? What are all these? Okay, now I have the chat window open so I can see the chat. Okay. Everyone is solving the problems in 3 minutes. Hey Manish, welcome to the stream, bro. I was worried my microphone is muted. Yeah, long time, yeah. Is it done or is it not? Okay, you know what? Let's just install just Node.js and we'll see about the rest. Where? Is there any another one running? Cancel. Maybe I might need to refresh my entire PC. Okay, I'll still be streaming, so don't worry. No worries. I'll be still up. I'm not going anywhere. I'll go get some water in the meantime. Dude, out of all possible times, it has to update now. Hey, Windows is doing Windows things. If I'm not really a gamer, I would have installed Linux by now, but there is no other way. I would like to play Battlefield. That's one game I'm really interested to play. Rainbow Six Siege, PUBG. I'll play like probably 5 to 10 times in a month. I did restart 3 times before starting the stream so that I don't want these things to happen when I'm streaming. But it looks like that's how it is. Oh, I can't really see the chat, so let me open it in my phone. Uh, okay, it's up. It's up. It's up. It's up. Some nice sounds. I'll have this open. In the meantime, I'll set this one. Where is aux? Yep, right here. Okay, fresh installation. Everything is fresh. Coding. Where is it? AI chatbot. Oh, yeah, stream assistant. Yes. Oh, I have to install Node.js first. Install. Remove. Might take some time. Finish. And then we run it again. This time, okay. Yeah, whatever you want. Don't install anything other than that. Install. Finish. Cool. Everything looks good. Now let's see. Terminal node. Looks like I have it. Okay. npx install playwright. This is stupid. Okay. Terminal, another administrator, npx install playwright. Still not happening. Okay. I would like to see what maybe we can use ChatGPT's help. I know there is a command like set execute or something. I don't really remember it. Something like this. విండోస్ కరప్ట్ అయిందన్న కరప్ట్ అంటే కరప్ట్ లాగా ఏం అవ్వలేదు. ప్రాబ్లం ఏమైపోయిందంటే నా దగ్గర సో బేసిక్లీ ఐ హ్యావ్ 3 drives. Ignore the hard drive, it's very old. So I have 2 SSDs which is of 250 GB each. Out of one of them was my previous C drive or where the Windows was installed. It doesn't have enough storage with it by using Olama editing software. So I was only having like 4 to 5 GB enough space or free space. So I decided to move my Windows from this drive to the 2 terabytes drive which I bought few years back, but I'm not really using it. I only installed games on that. But now I'm not really playing that many games, so I decided to install the Windows in this 2 TB drive so that I can give enough space for my Windows and all the softwares. Hey, unlucky. Welcome back to the stream, bro. How it's going? I had to reset my Windows, reinstall everything fresh. You can see no one's using any of these drives. Everything's new. Just I'm done with installing Windows, Firefox, some applications. I'm just trying to install all these softwares so that I can turn on my bot. I just installed Golang as well. I don't know if I installed Python, so let me install that. Why? For the second, I thought I forgot how to speak English. Why? Was my English that bad? Just because I have another SSD, unlucky gamer. So I got a new SSD. It's not really new. I got this SSD which is 2 terabytes, so that Windows can have how much storage it can, so that I don't have to worry about deleting softwares. Okay, npm install right save global. Okay, npm install npx. Why is it not working? Could not determine an executable. Okay, npm install. There is a command for this. Npm install playwright -d or something. Sorry, just forgot English. But why wouldn't this madness? Okay, how about we go here into my coding session and then install playwright in this particular code so that I don't have to worry about anything. Okay, npm install. What? Cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on the system. For more information, see the execution policies. Okay. Let's see. npm install. Oh, you're trying to make a joke. I was so drowned in these issues, so I totally forgot about it. Never mind. Okay, you can call me just Lucky or Chirag, so that you don't read my username. I don't think I can remember Chirag because I always remember the names and icons of my user, so I will be calling Lucky. That's much better. npx install playwright. Dude, what went wrong, man? Yeah, what does this -d do? Chris Tractors, Windows utility. I have no idea what that is, so let me just see. Chris Titus. Windows. Right in CMD. Isn't PowerShell much more superior than CMD? Oh, dude, what went wrong, man? Complete log of this run cannot be found. Can I install like Force or something? No. I want that to be installed. How about this? Let me turn on my bot so that I can get I can get all your messages stored in my database. Let me do that first. I have to get my ID. Praise with me, boys. Praise with me. Was there a new terminal open? Yeah. Vignesh Shukla, you seem new to the channel. Are you new? If you're new, welcome to the stream. You joined in the bad time. Hey, thanks for the like, guys. How many likes do I have? 5. Thank you so much for the likes. My bot is up, definitely, but we can see playwright script is not really working. And if this doesn't work, my bot cannot reply to you guys. For script disable, yeah, that's what I did. Thanks for the like. That's what I did, Manish. I have allowed for my entire user. This is what I did: set execution policy, remote sign user, current user. That's fine, but I never really see this error. I don't know. Should I refresh my logs or something? Will encounter this force. Yeah. Why would I do an infinite? Why? This creates a package. I already have a package.json. Do I not have it? Yeah, I already have it. Restart it. It's not showing any error now. Isn't that a good sign? So let me see if I can turn on the stupid bot. ls crc, or we can go to node.js. Yeah, cd dist ls node index.js. I think it's working. Okay, this is working for now. So let me go. Oh, I don't know if it did it open the browser. Okay, I'm turning on the bot one more time. You might be seeing the animation. I added the animation so that I can know that the bot is working. So don't hate on me, guys. I have to give the chat URL. I see the browser working. Playwright script is running in the background. That's a good sign. I'm sure I have to install the drivers for Firefox. Could not start Playwright. Please install the driver. Yeah, that's expected. How can I install this damn driver? These are the things we rarely do, like once in a month, and we forget how to do these things. Thanks for AI. We already did that. Yeah, stupid. Stupid. If it works, don't touch it. That's a very good philosophy. But I didn't really had these many issues with Node. I had issues like this with Python because of the environment setup was messed up, versions handling was messed up. But with JavaScript, things was working fine, honestly. It says listening for API calls. Where is the damn browser, dude? You know what? Whoever is new to the stream, while the bot is up, I would like you to send some message, like just send like a full stop so that I can have you in my database. Because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to close this down and see like manual programming way. Where is it? Stream assistant or playwright? Let me see if I can. I don't have Visual Studio. Why do I have Visual Studio, not Visual Studio Code? Stupid. I asked it to download. This is the code. What? Appropriate permissions. You know what, guys? It has nothing inside it, anyways. So I have Vignesh on the database now. So let's just confirm if he's added to the database. New users. I don't see Vignesh. Is my bot not working or for some reason? Probably my bot didn't work because obviously it's not using it. I know. I know just a thing. I'm sorry, Vignesh. You might have to send the message one more time once I fix this Stripe issue. So yeah, I would need Visual Studio Code now. Why does it say permissions not there? These are all the users I have. What? What is an administrator and this user? Which one is me? Man, for sometimes I just hate Windows. So this is me, Conda PC local account administrator. So which account am I logged in right now? You know what? I don't care. Where's the terminal, dude? Why would it open in the background? Okay, Choco install VS Code. Is it VS Code or code? Okay, looks like it's running. Okay, let it install all the damn things. In the meantime, let's install gsudo as well. If you're not aware of this tool, gsudo. I'm an old viewer. Oh, maybe that's why. Maybe let me search for you, Vignesh. Yep, you're an old viewer. Got it. No worries. Oh, it's code. Did I use code or VS Code? Okay, VS Code. I still don't see it for some reason. VS Code. All right, dude. Hey, why is it installing in E? I wanted. That's the reason it couldn't find it in the C drive. Why is it installing in it E drive? I can't really see. Where am I? Yasmir, welcome to the stream. Who's that name? Harsh Fistash? Is it Stash or Fistash? Where is me on your database? You can go to my site, Unlucky Gamer. You can go to my site. Just search for you. In the bottom, you can say Lucky. I think this is you. Yep, this is the last scene. I don't really have the first comment you made. By the time I didn't really thought about this, so that's why it's null. But do not try to use any points now because my bot is not up. So whatever you're texting, you won't really have any points. Where am I? Yasmir, let me see. Yasmir, how do I spell you? Yasir, sorry. Yeah, Yasir, that's you. Even you're not being updated, wait for some time. By the time I can see this. Nice. Okay, where is the repository? I'm going to open it. Yeah, just trust everything. So I know this. Okay, updated, and that's nice. Did I change anything here? Download. I don't have Git. What's up, bro? Hey, Exor, welcome to the stream. What's up? Short story. I had to reinstall my Windows, which I did. Now I'm just trying to get it back to my previous state, like having Node.js, Golang, Python, rest of the applications, get it working. My bot needs Golang, TypeScript, and Playwright. I'm starting to notice issues with it. So this is how I would like to test this. Normally we see here, where is the other website? Go. I totally forgot my own architecture of my entire code. I have to delete Visual Studio. For some reason, I truly hate it. I don't know if I have this air install. It's not installed. Okay, go run main.go. Oh no, sorry. cd main ls go run main.go. If this is running, then okay. Now it's missing the playwright from the Go package. I was installing it from the Node package. My bad. I was I was installing it in the VS Node.js. Twitter use చేయట్లేదా I totally forgot. Sorry, Manish. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, what is this thing? The utility is a compilation of Windows tasks which I perform on each Windows system I use. I meant to streamline installs, debload and tweaks and troubleshoot and config and fix the Windows updates. I'm extremely picky about what my contributions to keep this project clean and efficient. That's nice. What exactly am I supposed to do with this? You will first need to start a PowerShell admin and then you need to run this installation. Okay. But how user guides? Open a tweak attack navigator tree, select tweaks. Choose the tweaks you want to apply. You can use presets available in the top of the convenience. Okay. Oh, we can disable certain things. So just to understand. Oh, let's reply to Xor. Hey bro, advise me, should I submit my project for research first or open source first, then later research for publishing? Because, by the way, I don't know if my project will be able considered as a valid research as it solves something in a different way. Making a thing a little less costly, not much. I mean, just by your words, it's kind of 50-50. So, once you go open source, you cannot, it's really tough to come back. But if you go to research, if it fails, you can open source that tool. So maybe try the other way. Yeah, I understand, Manish. Let me install it. This seems promising, so I will install it. Feature: install most used Windows features. Hyper install, enable disable search box suggestions in the registry Windows sandbox. So this is more like, okay, I need to do certain things after fresh installation. So that's the reason. That's nice. I think I saw a. Wait a minute. I saw a command to install this. Oh, they want me to use Power like administrator. So let's that run in the background. In the meantime, let's see if this thing installed all the things. Looks like it. Alright, where is my ID? I don't have anything in the clipboard. Okay, turn on. Okay, YouTube tool install avadu just run out in the PowerShell. Nice. You don't have to install it. This is the reason I stream, because I can learn some things from you. You can also learn some things from me, maybe eventually one day. Reason I stream, because I can learn. Too loud. For some reason, I totally hate my voice. Okay. So should I press something, or I was expecting a GUI? I don't hate this tool. Don't get me wrong. Maybe I need to slow down for a minute, work on this bot, because I definitely want my bot to work now. It's a critical thing in my stream. If that doesn't work, then I'm screwed. Playwright really running in the background. Let's see. Any changes? Please install the driver and browser first. How can I damn install those? No idea. Did I not have a readme file? Looks like I didn't write any much in the readme file. Let me see chat GPT and hey, whoa. Do I have to install GCC for some reason? Didn't you dockerize it? Dockerize in the streaming PC. That has no issues. This is about the gaming PC. Huh? I don't have all these, okay. But why would I need... Maybe I should have added all documentations before. So where do I have Playwright? Yeah, looks like I'm definitely using some Playwright, yeah. Okay. This is history. How can I exclude history? Okay. Go to Playwright. Playwright instance and then Playwright run. What am I doing? I can't really remember which Playwright was this. I think the first Playwright is to respond. So yeah, the first Playwright is to respond, yes. Which tool are you referring to? This one? The guy which just downloaded this one? Can't really type anything in it. I want to, how about we fix this bot first and then I think about the rest. Hello, can you hear me? My chat. Okay, I just want to open my chat in the window because I can't really see my chat in the overlay. Omarchi Linux, what is that? Omarchi Linux. I really want to switch to Linux, trust me, but just because I play some games, that's the only reason I'm stuck with Windows, and of course voice meter and other tools. Is this Arc based? Looks like this is Arc based. Yeah, Arc based, particularly for software developers using Hyperland tiling Windows Manager. It provides a pre-configured cohesive system with a curated set of applications and tools, a unified menu, and a highly keyboard-driven interface to minimize tinkering and start shipping. Okay, that's a nice thing. But my concerns are about NVIDIA. I have an NVIDIA graphic card. I need to run Olama and stuff like those. Is it working or what? I see the bot, getting all those messages. So looks like the Node.js part is working fine. It's the Golang part which is not working. I thought maybe, then why is this working? Oh, Ruby on Rails creator. Approved. Olama runs on Linux? Yes. The only problem I have is voice meter. I'm so dependent on it and it doesn't have a support for Linux. I don't know how other Linux streamers would, what application they use to transfer audio from one PC to another PC. Please install drivers and browser first. Maybe it's looking for Chromium browser. Maybe it's looking for Chromium browser. Let's install Chromium. I need that as well. So let me install Chromium. Man, I totally forgot how to run this setup. Download Chrome. Where is the download button, bro? Nightly build for the no. Where's the download button? Is this the right button? This is not exactly what I want. Where is the installer, please? To install Windows app. I tried that for voice meter. It didn't really work out. There were a lot of audio related issues, and voice meter cracks out the audio when things didn't work as expected. The app wouldn't crash, but you would always hear some crackling sound. It's painful. Download old builds. Chromium browser download. Isn't there like an install? Okay, this is different. What is a mini installer? Is this the right page? Mini installer. What? Don't you guys think something is wrong? Right, anyway. What? Who? This looks like something else. This definitely looks like something else. It did download the browser, so I guess it's fine. Hey, AB, welcome to the stream, AB. Welcome to the stream, AB. In.go. Okay, let me grab the video ID. Chromium is started. How many instances of Chrome I have? One is definitely I'm using Firefox. Please install the drivers. Where is this message coming from? So how about this? So connect the play to the playwright which has the YouTube open by now. So who's opening this playwright? So obviously this is what it's opening, the playwright, chrome.bat, and then it should connect to that. That's the original plan. That's how it was working so many months. I'm trying to open the chat window. Yeah, right here. Mama is sleeping. Yeah, I'm trying to revive him. I had to install the Windows fresh. Or you can use WinBoot. It basically runs minutes VM in your Linux system. Honestly, I don't think the issues we are facing right now is not really a Windows or Linux issue. It's just I was running out of storage. And of course the bad time updates. Let's see if I can fix this primary thing first. Could not start playwright. Playwright script is running in the background. So where is it? Playwright script is running in the background. I think this is the function which is responsible for it. I don't even have my profiles. Okay, let me sign in to my profiles. I'm signing into my profile, guys. Give me one moment, please. Okay, looks like this should be signed in now. Just a moment, guys. It says it's signed in, so it might take a little bit time. So let's keep it running in the background for the meantime. Playwright. This isn't causing issues. I'm closing that. Closing this terminal too much. I got something. Okay, profile. Go to go. Yeah, work with this, please. So yeah, close for this. Let it. Let's give it some time. Let's give it some time so that it installs everything. I mean, not minutes. Oh, it's fine. I understand what you're trying to say. So you can see the nightly. This is working. This is from the Node.js, the nightly thing. It's the Golang version of Playwright, which seems to be broken. It's supposed to connect to the browser, which we initiate in this line. That's the thing. But I don't know why I'm saying Chromium here, because you know what? Let's see what I'm running here. I'm running Chrome. The user data, I don't know if I still have it. So let's see user data, the streaming. Yeah, I still have it. That's nice. And this is the Chrome application. Wonderful. Hey, someone is mentioning hello. You know what? Let me open a chat window in this way. Yep, that's nice. Okay. Hey, Sabyasachi, welcome to the stream. I am fighting with my Chrome, Windows thing. Don't activate, use the free version. You want to install God, don't install anything. I already have set up for that. What's happening here? I just installed a new, fresh Windows in another SSD, 2 terabytes. Previously, I had like 250 gigabytes of SSD. So I upgraded to 2 TB. So that's why I had to install all the settings. And out of which Playwright Go base tool is not working as expected. I'm trying to see Playwright script is running in the background. Let's see where is this line. It's in the run Node.js script, of course. So the program comes until here and then basically goes for some sleep and then cause the issues here. Starting to see issues right here. I don't really have to change a single line of code because that's not the main problem. It's the setup. I just wanted to confirm if that's the come on, dude. Remember has been started. Playwright script is running in the background. It waits for up to 5 to 10 seconds. Why is it bothering me? And then it closes, but seeing right. Yeah, so this is the problem. Cyber, welcome to the stream, Cyber. I'm curious how to fix this thing. npm npx install Playwright. Could not determine an executable to run. Please, a complete log of this is okay. Info slightly config this execute could not determine an executable to run. Is the version problem? What is the issue here? Well, let's ask my friend. Thanks for sharing the full debug. Okay. It's not a script or a CLI package, so npx has no idea how to run this. Correct command. What? Oh. npx Playwright. Hey, now this is working. This is working. So what's the problem? Why isn't install? Did it install anything or what? Let's see if it works. Then I'm fine. a lot of instances, so let me just close all these. I have the chat window open manually, so don't think like I'm not reading the chat. It's right here. Okay, I see a big Chrome instance. That's promising. I don't see anything else. Could not start Playwright. Please install the driver and the browser first. I totally forgot how did I install all these previously. I definitely have the browser installed, which is Chrome. It's opening right here. If it's missing the driver, I'm missing my specs. Let me. Okay, this is so comfortable. Nice. Where's the installation, please? Expand. Alternatively, you can download the drivers and browsers in your code in this way. Did I not have it? No variable on the left side. Okay. Oh, looks like the error is somewhere between. Where did I initialize the error? Yeah, right here. So I'm going to run this here. fmt.println setting up Playwright install. I don't know if it works or not, but it's worth a try. Does anyone use this Playwright setup like me so that they can tell me what I'm missing? Why is this copy paste not working now? Dude, this copy paste is not working. Delete. Go run main.go. Oh, cd main. Go run main.go. Wouldn't downloading driver for okay. Downloading browser. So looks like that's the issue. So I think I did this before. Probably I commented it out and then decided to remove all the commented out code. So yeah, keep this code when fresh install. What's this one? Okay, so no need of changes to be made. This should work fine now. I'm closing all the things. Closing this. So everything should work fine. Hey, we can see it's working. Things are working fine. Wonderful. So let me close all this and begin my bot. So when the moment I see an error that hey, Playwright is not installed, I was expecting the error was coming from Node.js because Playwright is a Node.js package, but looks like it's missing from my Golang package. Fixed it. Why don't you add background music? Don't I have it? I think I have it. Oh, I don't have a YouTube link of my own channel, dude. Oh, that's right here. Channel, dude. Oh, that's right here. You know what? I'll add it right now. I honestly thought I had it. I did have one. I don't know where it went. So 1, 2, 3, go inside overlays. The moment I switch to this screen, my computer just hates it. Where is the sound control for it? Please unhide all. Oh yeah, it's for some reason it's way too low. Let me increase that. Can you hear something? I see the waves. I won't be able to hear the background music. Why don't you use the yoga ball as a chair like Prime? What is it? Oh, that one? I normally use it at work, but for some reason I don't use it at while streaming because I dangle around with my microphone. Second thing is, you can see it's shaking. I use it while I'm working. So I have total 3 chairs. Increase a little bit. Okay. I already see a lot of waves. So let me test it with my headphones once. Increase a little bit. Okay. I already see. Okay, it's working definitely. So yeah, sure. If you want that to be increased, then why not? I think that's perfectly placed. Yeah, music is working. Got it. Alright, boys, my bot should be up now. 1, 2, 3. Where's the stupid? Okay. I forgot to copy this ID, paste it here. Everything should be up now. Done. I already had that background music. For some reason, I have decreased it. I forgot the reason. My bot is up, boys. My bot is up. My bot. You can see the Elangi Mama is replying. So what are the next steps? We must just go away, dude. Just go away. Where is it? Where's the super maven? Just go away. Uninstall. Don't bother me that much. Okay, this is done. Oh, this needs to stay up. Closing this, closing this, closing
Vignesh
this.
Shukla says, Mama has been awakened.
What a happy feeling. Speak command is working out of the box. No, normally that would be a lot of trouble. Set it up. The thing is, while I think after one day after the stream, I was like, the speak command is not working. I have to make a lot of changes every time. So I added a fail safe. When things are erroring out, it refreshes the function so that it keeps on calling. You have a lot of point, Vignesh, don't worry. Now I can manually add points as well. So yeah, this one is done. I don't need this. I don't need this. So far everything's good. Yeah, what else I'm missing? Where's the notepad? I close the notepad. So set up voice attack. Playwright has been fixed. Voice attack needs to be. What is the next thing? What are the next things which I am supposed to fix? Any recollection, guys? So let me move this terminals in the next window so that they can stay there while I'm working here. Oh, I built a program before. Olama run gamma 3 4b. While that's running, I have an idea. So currently, this is what I'm working on, where we see this coding context Brave browser. Yeah, it's fine. Try to use the WinUtil, the one which you guys are talking about, the WinUtil. Oh, this guy. I know this guy. Okay. Install. I was expecting like a GUI, but for some reason I'm not getting it. Oh, this is the GUI. That's nice. Okay. It's a TUI basis. Tweaks. Create restoration point, delete temporary files, delete consume. Let's keep it for now. Disable hibernation, disable Wi-Fi sends, run disk cleanup, debloat Edge. Thank you so much. Dark theme for Windows. Begin search. Bing search in start menu. What? Number log on startup, recommendations in the start menu, remove settings, homepage, snap window, assist. Okay. Advanced tweaks. Adobe network block. Remove all MS store up apps. Not recommended. Definitely not really recommended. OneDrive. I am not really using any of that. So that's fine. So what do you guys want me to try? I don't really want to disable these. What are configs? Microwin install. Oh, I definitely need Git. I don't need GitHub desktop. VS Code has been installed. Hey, this is nice. Brave browser, yes. Firefox has been installed. Waterfox, I use that in my mobile, but not. Oh, Discord, yes. Telegram, I already have a Viber. Unigram, I don't. Okay, that's fine. Go has been installed. I should have used this. Why did you guys not tell me this earlier? Games, EA app, yes. Steam, yes. Okay, Microsoft tools. I don't see anything needed here. Multimedia, voice. Hey, they added voice meter as well. That's crazy. Vignesh, nice try. Voice meter is here. Oh, let's install VLC. And what else? YTDL. I'm not really using it anymore. ADN Live, Kodi Media Center, iTunes, Jellyfin Media Server. This basically has everything I'm running. Advanced IP scanner. Putty, yes. And then what? Do they have Cloudflare? No. Utilities. Oh. Advanced renamer. AnyDesk. Parsec. I think Parsec already. Zero VPN. I need that. WinRAR. Yes, I need that. This is nice. This is nice. I came 15 minutes late to the stream, so I don't know you installed a new Windows. Yeah, I kind of did. I had to do it because I'm sure you're aware that my Windows C, which was previously 250 gigabytes of storage, I had another 2 TB drive, but I was too lazy to install Windows. Yesterday, I had enough, so I just did it. You know what? I want to try the ball. Previously, my microphone was way lower. That's the reason I was getting issues. But I would like to try it. Give me a moment, please. Nice, yeah. We'll see how it lasts. Anyway, Thanksgiving sales might be in 1 more month. I have to stock up what other things I might need. I'm looking for like wireless headphones, not this heavy, a bit smaller. Where is my Chrome browser? I want to open my Stream Dock. They added so many things in this tool. There were some other dev tools and language compilers. Okay, we are about to explore this new tool, Windows Utility. Basically, to install all the things we need on a freshly installed Windows. Last night I had to install my Windows in another new 2 terabytes drive. You can see everything is cleared out. So the users who suggested this tool, I think it's Manish or Harish, Vignesh. So yeah, the chat was suggesting about to explore this tool. This looks nice. All we have to do is just go to the GitHub repository and there is a command. Yep, this first one, and it basically gave me a complete UI. I selected Brave browser, Discord, Git. I already installed some of these myself, manually of course, but this could have saved a lot of time for me. So let's see how it actually installs. And we can also tweak things, right? Disable home group, debloat edge. That's nice. Just I wish to just uninstall the entire edge. Oh, it was Manish, sorry. Thanks for the details. I like it. I'll keep it in my mind. I'll be using it from now on. Configs, I don't really have much configurations. NFC file systems, that's actually turned on in my streaming PC. That's fine. But the customization is extreme. I like it. So let's see how it works now. Install or upgrade. I clicked it. Is there any feedback that I clicked it? Or maybe it's running showing in the background. That's, yeah, looks like it's doing it. The queuing Brave. Yeah, I see admin mode. Set a user password for logging and user based installation. I don't have anything. Do I need to have like a user password for it? Oh, it's used for installation. Okay, I don't really remember what password I gave, but we'll see. Man, it's really comfortable. If I could be doing this by myself, it would take me for about 1 or 2 hours, and of course multiple restarts. Now I can just sit like this and let it do all its things. But is it still running in the background? Let me see the task manager. I don't see any network connectivity, network activity, sorry. I don't see much. Maybe it's warming up. Let's see. Winget is installed. Use Windows 11 debloat, of course. Oh, there is actually a UI based thing that it's installing, but the rest I don't see. The only problem is I don't see any network activity. So if it's installing, it needs to be getting something from the internet, but I don't see any network activity, not even RAM. These things are like my browsers. Why is Firefox taking this much? Is it because of my tabs? No. By closing my tabs, I dropped 300 megabytes. Maybe out of all these, ChatGPT might be taking a lot. Let's see. 200-ish for one tab. That's fine. Well, how much is this taking? Oh, that one tab took around 400 megabytes. So closing GitHub. 200-ish. Is it moving or is it not moving? Probably I paused it. No idea. Okay. Our Winget itself is outdated. Unexpected error. Operation was cancelled by the user attempting to repair Winget using repair Winget package manager. There's a package to repair the Winget package manager. Nice. I think it's now downloading the Brave browser. So that's what I was referring to. We can see there should be a network activity. Yeah, there it is. So it's evident that it's working. Which programming language he used to write this? It's basically scripts. A bunch of PowerShell scripts. Awesome. I know this guy, wonderful person. Not in real life, of course. Just YouTube videos. If I could get a solution to play Battlefield in Windows, I would play Battlefield in Linux, then I would have moved to Linux by now. It's gaming and this voice meter. So this new tool, Windows Utilities, has successfully installed many of the applications. It's also installing Discord all by itself. That's nice. Oh, the same, they have a parallel version of this for Linux, which is written in Rust. Awesome. I will do all the login parts later, but we can clearly see it's installing one application one by one. Really awesome. Let's see if my other programs are working as expected. Where is it? Oh my god, I have to install a lot. Pip install Whisper. You know what? Let's use, as we are already here, let's use UV. I don't know if I install UV. Yep. Installed, yes. UV add Whisper. What? Okay, if this may lead to degraded performance, yeah, that's fine. Let me delete all these, even the env as well. VENV, not the env. Okay, and then UV add Whisper, that has been added. How can I do like a reinstallation of all the thing? UV main.python. Oh, UV run main. Starting to notice errors. Wonderful. Wonderful boy. Wonderful. For some reason, I'm not seeing the Python, icon here. Does it mean something? run main.py, argument of none type. What does it say? Let me try executing it in my Windows. But in this machine, opening Python main.py. I'm getting the same error. I don't have. Okay, it's in video processor. Pip install Whisper. Okay, so closing this for now, and then opening a terminal here, closing all the previous old terminals so that I can have the refreshed version. uv run main.py. Still not working. uv run, or let's say python run main.py. What? Oh, there is no run statement, sorry. Argument of none type is not a container or iterable. Do I have like a version issue here? I think that's the main problem. Still installing, that's nice. Let it focus on that. We focus on this. I don't really remember which version I installed previously, so yeah, Omar Key Linux. He's bragging about it for like 2 hours now. Just kidding. Just joking. Just joking. Just joking. Just joking. Joking. Oh. Okay. Okay. UV remove whisper. UV add this whisper. OpenAI whisper and this two different whispers, which usually indicates the problem with the package or the build environment. If you want to add the package regardless of the failed resolution, what's the problem now? Python local whisper. Approach setup. Yeah, okay, that's what I have. Maybe I can install this one particular thing in global. Problem with whip, only versions. Cannot install a Python version 3.1. Only versions are supported. Oh, I have a different Python. Oh, okay, let me downgrade my Python, I guess. Yeah. Downgrade Python. Python 3.13. Python installer recommended. Nice. Download. Is it download already? Yeah, nice. I'm uninstalling Python so that I can install the 3.13 version. Looks like a critical change for us. I still have to work with voice meter as well, so let me turn on that one. Do I have the scripts for it? Bash scripts. Looks like I have it. Okay, I have to always run it. Nice. Yeah. Okay, this is not there. That's nice. Okay, and then we can just install it now. Fresh. Local drive C, Python 3.13. Delete this. Yep. Where was it installed? It was showing something here. You can just uninstall it. Because retry, wait a little. Okay, uninstall. This probably should be for 1.33. I'm using it for version 2 before they introduced ISO file. There used to be a command and we have to download the minimal R ISO and run the manual command to install it. Did you miss a message about that? Wonderful. I don't have any Python inside it. I'm talking to Vignesh. Okay, I'll keep my mouth shut. Yes, they change from the wget to get to the directly downloadable ISO. Common? Maybe they're inside common? No. This means like I can happily install. Where is this even installed? Environment variables, path. Do I see a Python path? Yep. Looks like there is a Python install here. There is no Python install here. That means I can clearly remove those environment paths. Delete. Okay, and then I'll also remove. Is there any Python here? I don't see any Python here. Okay, cool. Refresh maybe. Somewhere we have this, and I have no clue where did we get that from. Guess I'm downloading Python manually. So instead of installer, I think we can directly download the Python folder or something like that. But where is it? This is not the one. Does anyone know what is the file name for it? Instead of an installer, we can directly install. Maybe I can do this. How about you can. Hey, what thing is it still installing? Git? Isn't it not done yet? Okay. How many other softwares I have? Oh yeah, let's install gsudo first. Gsudo, this is very crucial for me. Gsudo. Okay. That's nice. Choco install Python. Which version? Okay, it's already where is it already installed? Choco uninstall. Okay, that's nice. Okay, Choco install Python. They're at 3.13. Non-existing package. Yeah, I want a specific. Oh yes. Thanks. Thank you so much. The package was not. Maybe I need to give a perfect 0, something like this. No. Taco install Python 3.13. Oh, 3.131, not. Yeah, I understood, dude. Oh, this is how we give. Okay, this is nice. Okay, let it install. What happened? Because previous dependencies failed. Warning, uninstall prior. How can I install all Pythons at once? Completely, all Pythons at once. So previously I had a Python here. Obviously that has been removed. And then over here we didn't say Python here. Is there anything installed here? No. App data. Normally this is where Python goes and sits. It's just cache. Again, delete it. That's UV. There's no Python or anything. Is there anything in the environment variables? Environment variables. Path, I don't see any Python here. Path, I do not see any Python here. So that means something. Maybe a restart would fix some of these issues. But before that, is it done or is it not done? Not done yet, but maybe let's try that tool first. You know the one, where is that? Do I have it? Let's see if it can install Python for me. Development ABCDFGHIJKLMNOP Python 3. Python 3.13, yes. Queuing, okay. Do I have to press any buttons somewhere? Winget is outdated. Why is it having the same error every time? Found an existing package. Installs have finished, that's it. I still don't see Python. Yeah, I tried chocolatey, that didn't work. I'm trying this for the last time. Let's see if this works. I'm fine. I tried chocolatey, it says, hey, there's something already there. Looks like this installed. You know what? Sometimes Stupid things just work fine. Okay, let's see. I have to revive this project. Very critical for me. Python 3, yep. Okay, so uv run main.py. Obviously, there would be an why is it? But don't use that version. Use this version, please. Stupid things remain stupid. Why is it not working? I wanted to use this UV, but let me clear all this cache so that it won't have to have any issues with that. Close everything, try again. It looks like it deleted everything. I do not need UV lock. And then what? What is this Py project? When did I create this? Oh, requires. This is the only thing I'm supposed to change. Okay. That works. Oh, awesome. UV run main.py. That's fine. UV add open AI whisper. Oh, typo. Working. It is 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 working. Sometimes, simple things takes a lot of time. Whenever my manager or someone who doesn't really have enough programming experience, they will be like, how long does it take to install Python? I'm like, it can take till 5 minutes to 1 day. It can take up to 5 minutes to 1 day. Okay, uv run main.py. Let's go. Tin. I think when you're using uv init command, it creates that file. Yes, I thought it's depending on the Python version file. That's the reason I deleted it, so that I can install it one more time. But then I found that other file. That made a lot of sense. That works fine. Is it running or is it not running? Okay, while that is up there, we can go ahead and I might need to install one more thing inside context windows. This is the one. Yeah, no more. Oh, I see an error. What is it? Google API client. Why is that? Google API client. The problem with Python stuff is we don't exactly know that this is the module name which are supposed to install. Just like it says Whisper, the Whisper is not the module name. We have to install OpenAI Whisper. Truly hated it. So this is the name of the module, not this one. Or is this the even I don't know what module I have installed. This was the typical problem I face with Python. Google. Maybe, you know what, let's paste it to the ChatGPT if it knows the exact module name. Okay, looks like this is the package name. Why would they have a different package name and then import statement as a different? Is CLI case sensitive? Is this now? we add discount. Okay, that's fine, I guess. What next? Oh, these are the very important packages. I had a lot of issues with the versions which I'm supposed to install, I guess. I think I cannot just install any version of it. There must be a specific version. Did I save it somewhere? There must be a specific version. What am I using PIL for? I think for thumbnail, yeah. PIL, okay. Yeah, I cannot just use some random version. I think I'm to use some downgrade version. I remember that. Let's see if that's still the case. Pillow, okay. So you see that? The pillow is not actually PIL. Why wouldn't it show that, hey, you need to install this pillow package instead of PIL? Do you also agree that, or is there another solution for that? What are all these movie name? Oh, okay, which file is it? AutoCap. Even this has a different version. I don't really remember which version I'm supposed to install. How does people remember that, hey, when PIL means pillow? Yeah, I'm missing the developers don't really want easy life. That's not really. So the moment I saw the requirement.txt, this is how they save. Like back in 2022, 2021, when people were like in love in Python, I couldn't really love it because you have to use like pip freeze to get all the modules. If you miss something and that's gone. And Python is a like largely adapted language. It's not like a new language or anything. It's movie 5. Okay. I'm sure I'm installing the wrong versions. I'm not sure if it's the... What happened now? Did I have like a package? Oh yes, I would like to install. Oh yep, I have specifically mentioned to install these packages. Awesome. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. So yep. Give me uv add CLI command for these. To install all these packages, you can run uv add. Thank you so much. Does it have to be equally or? Okay, that sounds fun. Let's see. Checking dependencies. So far the program just pinned up. That's nice. And I got an error. Why? No name module. What? NumPy. I did install PIL. Yeah, there is pillow. Or is it supposed to be small p instead of p? It's pillow, not... That didn't work too. Welcome to the stream by the way, Abjit. I refreshed my Windows, or you can say reinstalled. And I had to basically bring back all my coding things. Almost everything is done. Node.js done. Golang is done. Now I'm struggling with stupid Python. AutoCap. Where is damn AutoCap? It had to be this file. AutoCap. Okay. Yeah, something's wrong here. I'm not really calling this function anymore, so let's remove this. I wrote this so that it auto installs all the things I need. Why did it not get the new file? Don't I have PIL here? Hey, I have PIL here. What's the problem, dude? Can you show me the error ones right here? So, like I just showed you, I can see PIL here. Obviously, I did UV add instead of pip install. Like that should work fine. That's expected because I didn't really activate my environment. But maybe if that helps, so... Okay, I think it's scripts. I totally forgot. Scripts activate, yeah. .bat. What? Maybe it's case sensitive. Script activate.bat. I would like to open, yeah, reveal in Explorer, not open. Nice. Am I doing something wrong? Is this not how we activate it? Oh, that's Windows. Oh, okay. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it should be VIN. Okay. I hope that's activated. Python main.py. What? Is it activated or is it not activated? Activate. Isn't it not what I gave here? Maybe this is what I'm supposed to give. Oh, now it's working. Okay. Python main.py. Still getting the same error. Any Python gods in the chat? Any Python people? I don't understand the issue. I see the scripts here. And what's the problem? So UV lock. Maybe it's not really meant to be open. Where is the other UV files? If we have any, I can just... Where is the UV files? UV. Yeah, Py project, okay. I see Pillow. I see movie Py. These are the true dependencies which I wanted to install. And I don't see them working. This is one major problem with Python, where we can write the code pretty easily and quickly, and that's it. That's where the good part ends. The maintainability, scalability, there comes a lot of issues. uv run main.py. Let me see if I'm missing something. Maybe I can just install that one package. uv pip list. Try installing it again explicitly. These are what it gave me. You do have installed. Maybe I have to install that specific function instead of this one. When env is active, it basically shows active and dot. It's not really the problem. I don't really know the problem. How can I reinstall movie.py with equals to 1.0.3? I know there is a version issue where editor is no longer installed. Okay, this is what I want. Damn it. Read my last chat. You said, can you show me the error ones? Which I did. It's right here. I can keep it open for you. It just says movie.py and stuff like those are not installed. Maybe now it works fine. Let's see. Go ahead. What is it trying to uninstall? 2 packages, install. So this is the problem. There is no movie.py.editor in movie.py. What is the one which I installed? Where is movie.py here? Yeah, 2.21 is way too ahead. That's not the one I would like to install. How about we uninstall it and then uv remove movie.py. Okay, that's gone. Movie uv add movie.py. How can I specify a function? At the rate. Okay, maybe equals to 1.0.3. Looks fine now. What the hell is that? Well, a new issue. That's fine. Oh, this is expected. I don't have the C drive, so let me. It's removing my chat. You can clearly see. This is the final chat I have. Can you show me the error ones? And that's it. After that, read my last chat. If you send something and it didn't reach to me, that means it's the YouTube thing. It's not me. I don't even have a moderator other than my bot, and my bot doesn't have the ability to, clear out messages. It would just reply to them. So add a network path, map a network device, yeah, drive, browse. No. Why don't I have access? Huh? I'm supposed to have access. My own PC is not giving access to me. That's sad. Very sad. Change advanced settings. I have everything turned on. Maybe I need to make some changes in my PC as well. Yes, I am aware of that, but my code works fine with it. I know that's deprecated, But it works fine. I would like to keep it for like few more years. Then if it's truly dead, that's when I would like to upgrade it to whatever the version we have. And by that time, hopefully MoviePy would be much more reliable. I must say this beanbag is comfortable for my back, but it's hurting my neck. Yes. No. Yes. It's truly dead. I mean, MoviePy itself is dead, or is 1.0.3 is dead. If MoviePy is dead, then I'm dead, because it worked fine for me for so long. What is the problem here? Network path was not found. Strange. Very strange. Does anyone know how can I access like from IP address? Should just do something, please. I have no idea. Yes. Huh? There is no. That's not really an FTP server. It's the Windows local sharing thing. Dude, I hate myself. 10.10.0.213. Why is it giving me a HTTP link? Why would it give me an HTTP link, dude? Oh, that's okay. So maybe I need to put these instead. This is somewhat working, but you cannot access the shared folder because your organization security policies blocks unauthorized access. These policies help you protect you from unsafe malicious devices on the network. Oh, enter your credentials. I don't really have a password, dude. I don't have a password. You cannot access the shared folder because okay. Yeah, just turn on, damn it. You cannot access the shared folder because your organization security policies disabled it. Why? I just feel stupid about my. You cannot access the shared folder because your organization security policies. Okay. You cannot access this shared folder because your organization blocks something. No one really gave a solution for us. 6 years old. But where are those security policies? Didn't I not copy those text? Oh, sorry, it's run. Okay, which one should I go? Computer configuration, administrative templates, network, something workstation. Hey, have you used the password while login or the password you created when you created your account on Windows? I use local installation, so I use Rufus so that it can bypass my Windows stuff. It wants my Microsoft account, so in order to bypass all those, I just use Rufus tool. If you are aware of it, you can use that tool, and it has like few checkbox where it allows you to bypass all those. Hey Nanda, welcome back bro, long time no see. Recently I had the same issue while I was transferring data over one laptop to another laptop. I normally use this Windows share from like 2015 or 2016. So this streaming is working fine because I connect to the same streaming PC from my phone. It's just I'm unable to connect it from my gaming PC because I have installed everything fresh, and something just is not working. Maybe I can change something here. Properties, advanced sharing. Is there any like security or stuff like those? What are you trying out today? So basically the story is this. Last night I was trying to install some softwares, then I realized my local C was completely filled up. That's because of I was using a 250 gigabytes of SSD. Either one of these was my primary SSD until yesterday. I already had a 2 TB SSDs. I was just too lazy to install Windows on it. Yesterday I felt like okay, it's time to do it, and I installed my Windows in local drive C.
So 2 Iconic says, good morning bro.
Morning bro, good morning, welcome back to Iconic. So I installed my Windows in local C. I did try to move my Windows from the old SSD 256 GB to like 2 TB. It didn't work, so it caused me more issues. Then I just realized okay, let's install everything fresh, which I did. And I just installed Python. The bot is working fine now, TypeScript stuff, all the dev things, everything works fine. And now the problem is, just now until here I was facing issues with Python, and it started to work. The program works, except I need the network path for it, which I wanted to add, but I'm not really seeing. Enable. Yep, this is the one. How can I enable it? Enable, yes. Apply. Okay. Let's see if I can access it now. I cannot access it. Refresh. Still can't. Windows overrated, Linux better. Well, it works for years. It worked for. I was using the same Windows operating system. I didn't really reset until yesterday. For like 4 years. I'm not really a fan of Windows too. I would like to install Linux, but gaming and other stuff, I had to stick with Windows. I don't know what exactly does it need. My current policy, but why does it say organization? It's my PC. Do I have to sign in now? What is that? Use peak human experience. Try to set up the password. Alright, let's see. Accounts. If I definitely need a password, then yeah, sure. I don't really have a password, but yeah, let's. We can use a PIN instead, or you have to use a password. Okay, let's. Current password. Hey, I don't have a password, dude. I'm sure I don't have a password. Oh, that's the password? I removed my password. I don't really have a password until I did remove it after installing Windows. I don't know how it came back. It should ask me for prompt or something. I don't really see any requests being made in my streaming PC. Just let me connect, dude. I'm going to change this from beanbag to another chair. Give me a moment. Fine, expected. Am I supposed to change something? Let's see if in the user accounts, change account type. Yep, change account type. That's the administrator. Yeah, they kind of did, but we can bypass those until sometime future. I have no idea. I only have one account. It's the administrator. Then why does it say that your organization doesn't allow? What do you mean your organization? Stupid. Maybe problem is in your. Yep. I'm open for guess. Different PC. Streaming PC doesn't really have a problem because yeah, something with the user group shit. So I can prove it to you 1 second. Eh? Why was that? Why did that trigger? So I will show it to you that I can access my other, basically the stream PC. I'm trying to connect to my streaming PC. I mean that IP address for that. Can you type the password which you use for streaming PC? It's not even asking me for a password. You know what? Maybe I have installed a lot many things. It's time for a restart for my PC. You know, maybe it needed a restart. Who knows? Yeah, that's there. But I have no clue how it got triggered. I just have no idea. Hey, something is opening up here. Okay. And it closed. Yeah, it was a thing. Yeah. It was a thing. It was there for a long time. I mean, the sound was there, but the animation was different. It asked me for a password and then it's gone. Maybe it's opening in the behind. I didn't see anything. Thanks for the like, guys. We reached 10 likes. $11 likes. Thank you so much. It's stupid. Okay. Should I restart it? Restart my PC? Does it make any sense? How can I test that if this is my streaming problem or gaming problem? Stupid. 12 likes, man. Thank you so much. There is a different user here and there is a different user here. Is railing mama JSON injections proof? I have no clue, but it doesn't really accept an input. Try it. If it breaks, we can fix it. But your text comes from YouTube, so they are going to have their own security things. Yeah, maybe I think it's something's happening from my streaming PC as well. Man, it's painful. Do you remove? Yeah, I did. I mean, it's not really useful anymore, you know. Oh, this is a group policy. The hell is these? Have you tried asking Chatty? But I don't really understand the problem. Is it my streaming PC or is it my gaming PC? You know what? Let me see if my gaming PC. I'll like share this folder and try to connect it from my mobile to see if that works. Everyone, hey, where are you going? Everyone, add and read, done. So let's see if I can see that thing in my. I can see it from my phone. So that part is working. Yeah, okay. But I cannot really access the same streaming from my this one. So I'm going to see if that works out. What the fuck is work group? I see a work group. Did I accidentally did something which I have no idea? I don't see my user like the PC name. I see work group. I have no recollection of building such things. So you know what? Sometimes we just need to take a break. Just take a break and like come back. So I'm just going to restart my PC, see if that fixes any issues. I'm still going to be here, don't worry. It's just my board is going to be turning off for a while. In the meantime, I'll see if I can try making some changes. I'm still here. My PC is about to restart. Really have the permission. Did I mess up my IP address for some reason? No, my streaming PC doesn't really have a Wi-Fi as well, so that should be good. $113, yeah, okay, and then that's fine. Close. It's fine till here. Did I shut down or did I restart? Okay, I'm just pressing the button now. Okay, it's turning on. In the meantime, I'm checking from my. It says work group. I think there is a problem with my. Oh, I did shut down. Okay, I was expecting to do. Looks like I do have a password. Let's see if I see something different. No. Network path is not found. Then why would it show me here? I was expecting this is the password portal, but it's the Discord thing. it's right next to my streaming, like the gaming PC. They are all connected to the same router, so that shouldn't be the issue. Did I have a different Wi-Fi maybe? Oh yeah. One second. No, that's exactly what I have too. Yeah, that's no issues. I was expecting maybe I was in a Wi-Fi, but that's disconnected. I'm now on LAN, and this is the IP address I have. That's fine. It's fine. Try doing forget and find the route again. That works. Is there any other way to see if this is not the issue? I'm just trying to like force it. Okay. So can you check IPv4 settings in the network properties and click mark? Okay, check mark some options to allow share and connect. I can just disable the entire. The main problem is I'm feeling a lot hungry. One case. Oh, major changes. What is this thing? Maybe something with drivers. Looks like there are some missing drivers, but network tab. I do have all the drivers installed, so that's not really the problem as well. You know what? Maybe I can debug it later after lunch. I'm actually feeling a lot hungry. Yeah. I don't think I'm aware. I don't think I'd reveal anything too critical. I mean, local IPs. There's nothing you guys can do with it. I have no idea, dude. Why I can't access it. Okay, we'll take a break and we'll connect later. I'll debug this after lunch. See you guys later again. Cool.